Hey, Wales, good morning. Happy Monday. It is April 28th. And yeah, let's recap Nvidia and the markets here. All right, so with that said, with Nvidia coming into this week, we have a decision. Basically, either there's two paths. We have a wave one in black coming down for a wave two, all right, essentially. So we're seeing whether or not we come down one more time, or if not, surprise, we have a wave two here, and we won't make another low. And this is sort of the new path that it's going to be in. I personally like this path better, where we're going to be making another wave high before a larger dip, and then we can keep going on this uptrend. So just to give you guys some theory in terms of how the structure is looking, right? So let me make this bigger. So on a downtrend, guys, right? After a downtrend, typically you want to see 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So let me label this. So we have a wave 1 up, 2 down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. And then ultimately, after an ABC leg down, if these lows can hold above this last low here, we now have an official uptrend that's beginning. Okay, so we call this an ABC as well. And then all of this structure would be a wave 1, right, to finish off. Wave 2 coming down, and then now we're working on a wave 3, 4, 5 towards the upside, right? That's exactly sort of what we're looking at. So where are we in terms of Nvidia? Well, right now for Nvidia, we are looking to see whether, so my preferred path is that Nvidia is right here, guys, right? We're working from the 2 to the 3. This is sort of my preferred path. The other path, of course, is that we're still working on the C leg, one more wave down before it goes up. But what I like right now is here. Because the markets are starting to push up, right, I'm hoping Nvidia can stay strong and keep pushing up here. So let me tell you sort of how I'm seeing it. So on the 30-minute time frame, right, you can see a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finishing off all of a wave 1 in black, right? And then you can see, right, we have an A in blue, B, or C coming down, right? This is sort of the primary path. However, surprise, we could have already put in the 2, and we're starting to work on a new uptrend. So this would be a wave 1, 2, still working on this 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, that's the bullish path that I'm hoping that Nvidia is on right now. And so this is sort of how I'm envisioning things. I'm hoping that the markets can continue pushing higher. Now the only caveat is because of the fact that Nvidia has not broken above 115. You guys can see that, right? It's catching up to the rest of the markets like Tesla, which have already broken the tops, right? Google, which has already broken the top. So we're seeing whether or not Nvidia can catch up. It's a little bit weaker, okay? So until then, in my opinion, what you can do, continuously ride this uptrend. You can buy on the 1-minute time frames, right? Go with the trend instead of trying to short it. And then ultimately, when we make a decision, whether or not we break above this or not, right? If it can break above, we know that this is a wave 3, right? We're starting a wave 3. And yeah, the bottom looks to be in at that point. But we need to break above 115. Until then, we could still do something like this, okay, and then pump up. All right, so just be aware of that. So yeah, again, if you're gonna swing trade this, right, wait for better levels, more of a dip. Right now, it's sort of day trading territory, right? It's a very tight uptrend. So only day trades, in my opinion. Wait for swing trades. If you haven't gone in at these levels, at these lows, right, you want to wait. So I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll update you guys every single day. And again, have a great rest of your week.